Sejin here. Usually when I make a video, it's something that I feel like it's worth sharing with the world, and in today's video, I want to share with everyone a special little plugin for ChatGPT. This plugin is simply remarkable not because it's free, but the fact that with this plugin, you can get a script, a video with captions, a voiceover, and get this, music all compiled and ready to upload in less than 5 minutes. I kid you not, for anyone who's made a 5-minute video knows how much work goes into each minute. But this little plugin does everything for you in less than 5 minutes. The quality might not be the best, but with AI, you can guess where we're headed with this type of tech. So if you like this sort of content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right in. So in order to get started, you need to go to the ChatGPT plugin store and search for the plugin CapCut. C-A-P-C-U-T. Install it and you're good to go. Now, it's time to generate my video. From what I understand, you can pretty much have this plugin script out any type of video you want, whether that be for some training video, a commercial, a short story, and so on. The sky's the limit. But for today's experiment, I want to create a children's folktale video. So I'm going to prompt it, generate a 5-minute narrative script for a popular children's folktale. Looks like we're gonna get the 3 Little Piggies. Okay, now it's prompting me if I want to generate a video with the script. So of course I want it to generate a video. So you can ask it to generate it in a specific ratio, but for the most part, if you're going to create a video, 16:9 is the best. So now it's done generating, let's click on the link and see what we got. So look what we've got here. We have a full 1 minute 30-second video, but if you create a longer script, you can increase the video length. The picture seems like it's from a very old children's story book, but it seems to have the right elements from the folktale. Here you can see the captions have been added, and you can click on the preset to change the style. You can also change the caption style manually if you want, whether that be the opacity, the size, and so on. Here you can change the text-to-speech from a collection of different voice styles such as a chill girl, cute boy, energetic man, and so on. I wanted a female storyteller, so I'll choose that one. You can also change the narration text in the caption box on the left. You can simply edit that into the text box and the AI will automatically change the text-to-speech as well. The dark area on the side of the video is bothering me, so I'm going to increase the size of the picture to fit the screen. Give me a minute so I can readjust all the images. There's a ton of features you can play around with, including filters to change the color or the tone of the image. Now once you're done fine-tuning, you can hit the export button. Here you can change the file name and resolution size. I'll switch it to max size of 1080p and click export. Once it's done exporting, you can share the video to be reviewed or share it on social media. I just want to download it. And here's the video. The overall quality isn't the best, but if you just wanted to experiment, I think this would be perfect for you. It's also great for people who have absolutely no experience in video editing. Now, everyone can create videos with little to no skills. As always, thanks for watching the video until the very end, and if you like this sort of content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
They were stronger than straw, yet easy to gather. The youngest pig, however, decided to build his house out of bricks. It was hard work, and it took much longer, but he knew it was the safest choice. One day, a big bad wolf came to the meadow. He went to the straw house and said, little pig, let me come in." But the eldest pig refused. So, the wolf huffed and puffed and blew the house down. The eldest pig ran to his brother's stick house. The wolf followed and repeated his demand at the stick house. Again, the pigs refused. The wolf huffed and puffed and blew the stick house down. The 2 elder pigs ran to their youngest brother's brick house. The wolf tried to blow down the brick house, but he couldn't. He tried to enter through the chimney, but the clever youngest pig had a roaring fire waiting. The wolf ran away, never to return. The 3 little pigs learned a valuable lesson that day. Hard work and dedication always pay off in the end. And they lived happily ever after.